Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Let's go for it. First of all, open up Snapchat, tap on little profile icon at top left. There is options for you, so now tap at right side on top on settings options. Okay, now tap on Bitmoji and here is options for you unlink my Bitmoji. It means it will be deleted. So unlink this. Yeah, it's gone. It's deleted. Now let me show you. Yeah, here it is. There is no Bitmoji here for you. That was all for today. Hope you like this video. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in next video. Until stay tuned with 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.